Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to enable Save Images to Device on Discord step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before we continue. Step 2. Next, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 3. Now, in the profile menu, you'll notice a settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to enter the settings. Step 4. Once you're in the settings menu, start scrolling down until you see the option labeled chat. Did you find it? Perfect. Tap on chat to move forward. Step 5. Inside the chat menu, you should see an option that says Save to Device. At this point, it's likely disabled. Step 6. Finally, all you need to do is tap on the Save to Device option to enable it. And that's it. Now, any images you download from chats will be saved directly to your device. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.